how to prepare your property for viewings or for show days. So when the agent is coming with potential buyers to show them your property, you want to make sure that the first impression is stunning. The first impression really matters when it comes to property viewings. The buyers are going to be making a lifetime decision about purchasing this property. So they want to be at a place that is well maintained, that is well taken care of, and that is looked after. So when clients come to view your property, you want to clean. Make sure you deep clean. Make sure you remove your personal items, your pets, you lock them up. Because these people, when they come to view the property, they actually visualize the space. They want to see it empty so that they can visualize what they're going to be putting there. But if now you have left your personal items all over the place is not clean, it's not arranged, decluttered, then they might not have a clear picture of what they're looking for. And when they go to see other properties, they find them in good state, they're most likely going to make offers on those other properties. So make sure you put in effort when the agent is bringing potential buyers to view your property. So, making your property clean and presentable, it's very, very important, and it's attractive to potential buyers.